Hello there my friends, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the SE214 XT RGB cooler from ID Cooling. So there's not much to do here, just remove it out of the box. Correctly? Correctly. You have a manual. And you have a bunch of stuff here. So here is this beautiful 4-pipe radiator. Here you have fittings for depending on your processor type, either is AMD or Intel or whatever. You have fittings for all types of motherboards and processor. And here is the fan. And well, that's kind of it. Let's open the installation guide so you can take a look. It's pretty straightforward, not much stuff to do. It comes with thermal paste also, so that's a nice thing. You don't have to buy thermal paste separately. You have it right here. Screws, fittings, all you need. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the SE214 XT cooler. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Bye.